Yo, I'm about to show y'all two different examples of a losing product and a winning product. How to tell a difference before you buy so that you can make the most money flipping stuff on eBay. So guys, I know it's been a minute, but I had to come back with a little bit of value for you guys on YouTube. So if you've been following me, if you guys have been keeping up with me on like my other social media sites, you know I have been flipping stuff like crazy. Now, some of y'all have been asking questions like, oh, well, does he still drop ship? Does he still do this? Yes, I do still drop ship, but with the coronavirus and then like Facebook deciding to ban all of my ad accounts these past few weeks, I have went very heavily into flipping, which is the thing I always teach you guys: have multiple streams of income in case one of them breaks. You can always just move over into the other one. And some of the funnest things that I've been doing over this past few weeks is going to like garage sales, going into like random stores, picking stuff up for really cheap, and then selling it for way more than I bought it for online. So two amazing examples of those two are two products that I actually picked up this week. So this right here is a Walt Disney mug. It's pretty, I think you have to go to Disney World to get it. It's pretty much like the happiest celebration on earth mug. You see it has like all of the colors, the really cool designs. The mug is not really used that much. It seems like it's a really dope mug, right? So I kind of eyeball tested it. I didn't really search it or anything before I picked it up. I just looked at it. It was like for like 50 cents. I was like, I can't really lose on this one. So I just picked it up. And I was like, whatever happens, pretty much just happens. And then we have this product right here, which is Pinky and the Brain. This is actually the brain. I don't know if y'all have ever seen Pinky and the Brain.
Gee, Brain, what do you want to do tonight?
The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
Here it is right here. This is pretty much the brain. It's like, Brain, what are we planning on doing today? Taking over the world. And this is what that is. So this is like an iconic, like an old school cartoon that came out, I think probably in the 1990s, maybe the early 2000s. I used to watch it all the time. I absolutely loved Pinky and the Brain when I was a kid, so I knew that there would be some older adult who would want to buy a Pinky and the Brain plush doll that collected this type of stuff. So I had two really good reasons to buy both of those, but what I'm about to show you guys is the screen recording into my phone where some of what I was saying was right, but then a lot of it wasn't. So let's hop into that. All right, guys, so starting off with the Disney Happiest Celebration on Earth mug. Looking at this at face value, we have about 26 results, and it looks like that these first 3 listings, and then even coming back down here, it doesn't look like this product was a loss. So looking at it right now, it looks like it's selling for anywhere between $15 to $20, which, because I picked it up for 25 cents, looks like a winner, but it is not. And let me explain to you guys why. Because what I just did was a common mistake that a lot of you guys make all of the time, where you don't filter by sold items. So guys, the biggest, and I mean like the absolute biggest thing that you have to do whenever you're trying to check the market value for a product is really 2 things. You have to check the previous sales volume and then the price that those things were selling for. So looking at it right here, we really only see 3, even scrolling all the way down here, there are really only 3 listings of the Happiest Celebration on Earth mug. 2 of them aren't even the right mug, and then the one that is the right mug has only sold 1 time within the past 3 months, which means that this is a loser, guys. This is not a good product for me to pick up. This is why you should not do the eyeball test unless you are extremely skilled, and then even when you do it, when you are extremely skilled, you can still mess up. So here's a perfect example of this, guys, and I will show you guys what a good example looks like right here with the Pinky and the Brain plush doll. So here it is right here. Oh, and I actually misspelled it, which is why it's saying no exact results found. But looking at this again, face value, oh, Cam, you won, you got a good product. But guys, we have to filter by sold listings. And then after we filter by sold listings, we can see these first few products. So looking like right here, I think I picked that one up for 80 cents or so. So looking at this, looks like, okay, maybe made $11 off of it. This just recently sold only a few days ago. Then let's keep going. We keep scrolling down. And then we see this. So this is actually both of those same dolls, but this is both of them together. So with Pinky and the brain. I don't have both of those, so we're gonna keep scrolling. We can still use this data though, so we can see that on the 17th last month, somebody wanted it, and they paid about $26 for it. And then again, right here, we just keep using those same data points. So somebody has both of them, and then probably about 2 months ago, maybe even 3, somebody paid $12 for it. And then the more we scroll, the more we can see that this product actually has a little bit of demand. So these are a little bit out of order as far as how they're listed. But what we can see is that people are actually buying this product. Even if it's not the exact one, people are buying the brain for, like this listing right here, which was just a month ago, $22, right? So the more we scroll, the more we see it. So again, here it is right here for $24, probably about 2 months ago. So the more we scroll, the more we'll see more data. And because we can see so many data points, that is an amazing sign. Now, the more data points you can see, especially if it's for your exact product, the better. But this is a really, really, really great example of a product that has the exact data points, so we can see an accurate price to sell for it, and we can see the exact item to sell for. All right, guys, so that was one of my losers and then one of my winners from this week's haul. I hope you guys found a ton of value from this video. It wasn't really a long one, but all I really wanted to point out is what the previous sales volume history and the average sale price looks like, so that you guys can decide whether a product is a good product to pick up or whether you should have left it. So this one was actually a pretty good pickup. I might hold on to it for a while, but this one right here, I will be holding on to this for a very, very long time. As a matter of fact, I might just go ahead and not even list it and just sit it in my cabinet, because this thing is probably not going to sell anytime soon. But regardless, guys, I really hope that you guys found value from this video. And if you did, please drop a comment down below. Let me know some of the things you like. Let me know some of the things you didn't like. Let me know if you think I talk too fast. Let me know if you think my voice is too raspy. Let me know if you think I am the most amazing person in the world. Guys, I really, really, really enjoy reading your comments. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram or leave a comment down below. I will try my hardest to respond to all of you guys. So thank you guys again, and until next time, stay real.
The Pinky and the Brain, yes, Pinky and the Brain. One is a genius, the other's insane. They're laboratory mice, their genes have been spiced. They're Pinky and the Brain, 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 brain. Before each night is done, their plan will be unfurled by the dawning of the sun. They'll take over the world. They're Pinky and the Brain. Yes, Pinky and the Brain. Their twilight campaign is easy to explain. To prove their mousy worth, they'll overthrow the earth. They're Pinky and the Brain, 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 brain. Arf!